Jai Hind everyone. My name is Mamta Pant and I am working as an assistant professor in IT department of Ajay Kumar Garg Engineering College, Ghaziabad. Today I am going to discuss with you some operators we are used in Python language. So, before going ahead to know about the operators we are using in Python, first we need to know about the operators. Which symbols are used as operator, which symbols are known as operator. So first of all, we need to discuss about the operators. What are the operators? Basically, operators are the symbols that are used to represent or basically responsible for any action, any process or any operations. Sometimes I may ask to a student what is the operators. They usually said that operators are the symbol which are responsible for any mathematical operations. But basically operators are the symbol which are used for any operation, not mathematical operations, any operation, any action or any process. Okay, so now from where these symbols we are adapted. These symbols are coming from mathematics field and logic fields. For example, if we are using, we wanted to use addition of two numbers, that is a plus b. Here a plus b is the operand and plus is your operator. So this plus operator is coming from mathematics. We have adapted this plus operator from mathematics. And for example, if we want to compare two number a and b, so we will use here comparison operator, less than, greater than, is equals to. So these symbols are coming from logic fields. Now next, an operator is capable of manipulating certain values and operand. Basically, what is the main task, main function of operator is to manipulating the things or to evaluate any expression that we are using. And operators are the backbone of any program. Backbone means if we skip the first program in any programming language, that is printing hello world, after the second program we have to use any operator in our program, because any action, any performance, any operation is done with the help of operator. And operator, that's why known as backbone of any program. We are using operator everywhere, from very simple function like counting to complex algorithm like security encryption. The variables on which operators are work known as operands. Okay, so here a plus b is our an expression. Here a and b are known as operands and plus is your operator. Coming to the next slide. Now, depending upon the operands we are using, operators are categorized in three categories. First is your unary operator. Second is your binary operator, third one is your ternary operator. So what are the basically unary operator? If our operator that we are using is working on a single operand, then it is known as unary operator. Coming to the binary operator. If the operator we are using on two operands, then it is known as binary operator. For example, a plus b. This plus operator is working on two different operands, that is a and b. That's why this plus operator is known as binary operator. Now coming to the ternary operator. As the name suggests, if an operator is operate on three operands, then it is known as ternary operator. This is the syntax of a ternary operator. This is the condition. If my condition is true, then expression 1 is executed. If my condition is false, then expression 2 is executed. Okay, so based on the operand we are using, our operator is of three types. First one is your unary operator, second is your binary operator, and third is your ternary operator. Now coming to our main topic, that is the types of operator we are using in Python. We have used a lot of operators in Python programming language. We are grouped these operator into 8 different categories. These are the 8 categories. We have put all the operators that we use in Python. These categories are: first is your arithmetic operator, then assignment operator, then come to the comparison or relational operator. After that comes logical operator. After that bitwise operator, membership operator, identity operator, and unary operator. Now discuss them one by one. Coming to the arithmetic operator. This is the first category, our operator that we are used in our Python programming language. What is the arithmetic operators are? Arithmetic operators are used to perform some arithmetic operations between two operands. If we are using two operand, then it is known as binary operator. So our arithmetic operators are also called as binary operator. Okay. Now describe them one by one. First one is your addition operator. What is addition operation do? It is used to add two operand. Let's practically implement this. For example, this is the interpreter of Python programming language, that is IDLE. Full form of IDLE is Integrated Development Learning Environment. Okay, this is the interpreter of Python screen. This is basically used for the testing of one or two line of code. Here we will do the arithmetic operation plus 2 plus 3, 5. Now next operator is your subtraction operator. Next is your subtraction operator. What subtraction operator is do? Let's implement this. 3 minus 2, 1. As we studied that addition operation is used to add two operands, we cannot say the very same line for subtraction. We cannot say that it is used to subtract two operands. The definition of subtraction operand is that it is used to subtract second operand from the first operand. What does it mean? If I am writing 3 minus 2, that means I am subtracting 2 from 3, not 3 from 2. So the definition of subtraction is that it is used to subtract second operand from the first operand. That means in this example, you can see I am subtracting value B from value A. Okay. We did not use first operand or second operand in addition operation because there is no need of this thing. If I am adding 2 in 3, this is also give answer 5. If I am adding 3 into, this is also give answer the very same. But this is differ in case of subtraction operation. Now coming to the division operation. Division operation, what is do? It returns quotient after dividing the first operand by the second operand. For example, if I am dividing 5 divided by 2, I will get 2.5. So this is used to divide first operand by the second operand. Now coming to the multiplication operation. Multiplication is used to multiply one operand with another operand. Like that 5 multiplied by 2. Here we get 10. Okay. In multiplication operation, we can also say it is used to multiply two operands because here position does not matter. We can multiply 5 by 2 or 2 by 5. Both will give the same result. Now coming to the remainder operator. What will remainder operator do? If I am doing this operator 5 divided by 2, this will give the quotient part. But if we want remainder part, what we have to do? We have to use modulus operator. Modulus 2. This modulus operator gives remainder part of your division operation. Next is your exponent operation. Exponent operator is used to calculate power of first operand to the second operand. Here A is equals to 2, B is equals to 3. If we want to calculate 2 to the power 3, then we can use exponent operator. That is 2 double multiplication 3. It will give 2 to the power of 3, that is your 8. We can also implement this in interpreter. 2 double multiplied by 2, which will give the 8. Now, coming back to the division operator, I am dividing 5 divided by 2. If I am using division operator, it will give me 2.5. The data type of 2.5 is float number because this is a decimal number. But sometimes if I want only integer part from a division operation, what should I have to do? For this, Python introduce a new operator, that is your floor division. Floor division is used to give floor value of quotient part. In this, if I use 5 floor division 2, it will give only 2, that is your integer part of quotient in division operation. So floor division is basically used to represent your integral part of division of quotient in division operation. Okay. Next category, second category is your assignment operator. As the name suggests, it is used to assign the value of right expression to the left operand. How, what is it want to say? For example, I am taking a variable a is equals to 10. So what does it mean? It means I am assigning value 10 to the operand a. So here, if I am printing the value of a, it will give 10. So assignment operator basically what it will do, it will assign right hand side value to the left hand side expression. So basically your first operator is equals to operator, which I have already seen. Okay, it assign the value of right expression to the left operand. Expression means what? If I am doing b is equals to 4 plus 5 minus 3, basically this is not the value, this is a expression. So now if I will enter, I will get the value 6. Basically this assignment operator is what it is doing, it is first evaluate this expression and then assign the result of this into the b, that is your 6. So assignment operator basically assign the value of right expression to the left operand. Okay, now let's see more example. For example, I have a value a is equals to 10. I want to increment the value of a by 2. I can do this by two ways. A is equals to 10 plus 2. I can write it down like that. I have one another way. What is the value of a is equals to 2. Now I also wanted to increment a by 2. I can also write, instead of writing a is equals to 12 plus 2, I can also write this expression like that. I am incrementing value of a. So we have to increment by plus operator, and after the increment I am assigning the value, and what is your assignment operator? Is equals to by how much value you are incrementing the value of a? By 2. Now enter. Now see the result. I am incrementing the value of 12 by 2 and assigning them to the a. So this operator you have seen, this is doing the same thing. This assignment operator first increment the value and after that assign the same value to the used operand. Okay, same we can do with minus is equals to operator. For example, I have another variable b is equals to 23. Okay, now I want to decrement this value by 3. So I can write either b is equals to b minus 3. Okay, or b is equals to b minus is equals to 3. Okay, these both expressions give the same result. Now next operator is multiply is equals to. This will do the very same thing. First it will multiply the operand itself and then assign the result value to the operand itself. This is your homework, you can do it by your own. Next is your modulus operator is equals to operator. This will first give the remainder and then assign the remainder value to the left operand. This is your multiplication exponent is equals to operator. This will first calculate the exponent value and then assign it to the left operand. This is your flow division assignment operator. Flow division assignment operator we can also see like a is equals to 11. Okay, and b is equals to 2. Now perform a. I want a is equals a flow division by b. I want this. I can do this by a flow division is equals to b. This will give the same result. This is your 5. Now coming to the next, multiple assignment. What is this multiple assignment? Assignment, we get to know that if you want to give some value to an operator, this is known as your assignment operator. What is the meaning of multiple assignment is here? Python allow us to assign a value to multiple variables in single statement. What does it mean? Let's see the example. Okay, we have three variables. A is equals to 10. We have another variable B is equals to 10. We have third variable C is equals to 10. In this initialization, we have three line of code. In Python, we can do in a single line like A, comma, B, comma, C is equals to 10. Okay, sorry, it cannot pick my bad. I'm doing it again. Okay, I can do this A, comma, B, comma, C is equals to 10. Cannot unpack variable integer object. Okay, sorry, my bad. If we have the same value, we have to do this. A is equals to B is equals to C is equals to now the value. It will assign the same value for the A, B and C. Now check the value of A, 10. Sorry. Check the value of A is 10. Check the value of B is 10. Check the value of C is equals to 10. What this is called? This is called assigning single value to multiple variables. Okay, this is called assigning single value to multiple variables. This is the one version of multiple assignment. The second phase of multiple assignment is assigning multiple values to multiple variables. I can also do that. We have three variables x, comma, y, comma, z. I want the value of x should be 10 and value of y should be 11 and value of z should be 12. I can do it in a single line. Now let's check the value of x, 10, y, 11 and z is equals to 12. What this is called? This is called assigning multiple values to multiple variables. This is the example we have already seen. Okay, if we are assigning a single value to multiple variables, then we use is equals to operator, and if we are assigning multiple values to multiple variables, we use comma. Okay, now let's move on to the next category, that is third category, your unary operator. Unary means single operand. We have already discussed this. If our operator work on a single operand, then it is known as unary operator. Python support unary minus operator. For example, if we have value of x is equals to 100 and if we want negative value of x, then we have another variable y. We can put negative x value to the y and print out this. Let's examine this. If x is equals to 100, enter, and we want negative of x, minus of x, this is minus 100. This minus operator work on a single operand, that is x. That's why it is called as unary operator. Next operator are your comparison operator and also known as relational operator. It determines the relation between two operands. Okay, this is your next category. Now come to the definition. Comparison operator are used to compare the value of two operands and return boolean true or false. If our condition is true, it will give true, and if our condition is false, it will return false accordingly. Let's discuss one by one. Our first comparison operator is equals to. If the value of two operands is equal, then the condition becomes true. Let's do this. For example, we have two values, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 5. Now compare. If we want to check if the value of a and b are equal, we can do it with the comparison operator. A is equals to b. It will give return false because value of a is 10 and value of b is 5, which are not equals to each other. Okay. Students, be remember that this is your comparison operator and a single is equals to is your assignment operator. Now if we want to check a is not is equals to b, it will give true. Yes, because value of a is different from the value of B. If next we want to check A is less than B, it will give false. No, 10 is greater than 5, then it will give the false. Condition is false, it will give result false. Now if I want to check A is greater than B, this will give true, because yes, 10 is greater than your 5. Okay, same. We can also check A is equals less than is equals to B, and A greater than is equals to B. Okay, these are your comparison operators. Now coming to the next operator, which is your logical operator. In relational operator, what we were doing, we were checking a single condition. Here I am checking a single condition, whether A is equals to B or not, whether A is not is equals to B, A is less than B, A is greater than B. So with the help of comparison operator, we can check a single condition. If we have more than one condition, we have two conditions, then we use logical operator. If we want to check more than one condition, we would like to prefer logical operator. Now what is logical operator? Logical operators are used primarily in expression evaluation to make decision. Now what is decision? When we use if-else statement, they are known as decision making statement. In these decision making statement, we take decision on the basis of the result of these logical operators. Now what are these logical operators? We have three logical operators. One is your AND operator, second OR, third one is your NOT operator. Let's go with an example. Okay, now let's suppose we have A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 5. Okay, now I have two conditions. I wanted to check A is less than 11 and B should be less than 6. Here we have two conditions. First is this, second one is this, and as I told you that if we have more than one condition, we would go for logical operator. So first condition wanted to check that A is less than 11. Is A is less than 11? Yes, true. This is your true. And second, B is less than 6. Is this condition is true? Yes, this is true. This is true, and second condition is also true. This will give in result of true. You all must aware about the truth table of AND operator. What AND operator says? For example, we have two operand X and Y, and this is your AND operator. Okay, so we would represent true by 1 and false by 0. Okay, if we have true for X and true for Y, then we get true in result. If we have false for X and true for Y, then we will get false in AND operator. If we get true for X and false for Y, then also result we will get false. If we have false condition for X and false condition for Y, then we will get false in. This is the truth table of your AND operator. Okay, now let's change the condition. If we want to check A is greater than 11 and B is less than 6. I am changing a single condition and this condition become false now. Okay, so one is false, other one is true. If we are going to the truth table, one is false and other one is true. What we will get? We will get false. Okay, if I am pressing the enter button, we will get the false condition. Okay, now this is your AND operator. Now coming to the second logical operator, that is your OR operator. If one expression is true, then the condition will be true. For getting the true in OR operator, either one or both condition should be true. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, first condition, in this expression, one condition, this is false and this is true. If we are using OR operator here, then we will get true. Let's suppose A is greater than is equals to, I am using now OR operator instead of AND. B is less than 6. Enter. Okay, we get the true. Okay, now what is the truth table for OR operator? Y and OR. OR operator what will do? True, true, false, true, true, false, false and false. If either of the condition is true, here both conditions are true, we will get true. Here one condition is true, we also get true. Here also one condition is true, we will get true. And here both conditions are false, we are getting false here in resultant. This is the truth table of OR operator. Okay. If any condition is true, we will get true. Now coming to the third logical operator, that is your NOT operator. It is the negation of, it is used to negate the value or vice versa. For example, if we have A is equals to 10, okay, this is just opposite to the negation of if an expression is true, if my condition is true, this will give result in false. If my condition is false, it will give result in true. Okay. Okay. Now going to the next operator, bitwise operator. These are the most important operator we are using in the data science. What is the bitwise operator means? Here segregate the term bitwise. When we are performing operation bit by bit, then these operators are known as your bitwise operator. Okay. These are your bitwise operator, AND operator, OR operator, XOR operator, negation, left shift and right shift. We already taught about AND, OR or NOT, but these were the logical AND and logical OR, but here we are teaching about binary or bitwise AND and bitwise OR. Okay, let's experiment this. Okay, suppose we have A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 11. Now I want to perform bitwise AND operator between A and B. How would perform? A ampersand B. For logical AND operator we use AND keyword, and for bitwise AND operator we use ampersand sign. Okay. Now guess what would be the result? I am entering the button and now 10. How could I get 10? Let's explain this. As a programmer, you must need to know the reason for your output. Okay. Now, what was the value of A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 11? As we have already shown, that, okay, it will work on bit by bit. So, first of all, you have to convert this 10 into your binary number. The binary number of 10 is 1 0 1 0 and binary number of your 11 is 1 0 1 1. If I am performing bitwise AND operator, we have already seen the truth table of, this is your truth table of AND operator. If both the conditions are true, then only I will get 1, otherwise I will get false. Okay. So here 0 1 is your 0, 1 1 1, 0 0 0, 1 1 1, and this is equivalent to 10. Okay. So this is the result, how we get 10 in the resultant. Okay. Now if I am taking OR A pipe B, what would be the result? Guess. Okay, sorry, for OR, this is not operator. For OR we use pipe A, pipe B. 11. Now how would get 11? Let's see. Now this is the binary A and this is the binary B. Now perform OR operator. We have already seen the truth table of OR. This is the OR. If any one is 1, we are getting 1 in the resultant, otherwise we will get 0. Okay, so 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1. This is equivalent to your 11. So this 11 I am getting in this. For bitwise OR operator, we are using pipe symbol here, and for logical OR we use keyword OR. Okay. Now next is your XOR bitwise operator. What XOR bitwise operator did? Let's have an example. A XOR B. Enter. How could we get 1 when the value of A is 10 and value of 10 is A and value of B is 11? How would get 1? Let's explain this. This is your 10, this is your 11. Okay, let's erase this. Okay, first of all we have to see the truth table of XOR. What is the truth table of XOR? Is X, Y, and this is XOR operator. Let's draw the truth table. 1 1 0 0 1 0 and 0 1. XOR says if both the inputs are different, then only we get here 1, otherwise I will get 0. Here both the inputs are same, we will get 0. Here both the inputs are same, we will get 0. Here both the inputs are different, one is 1, other one is 0, so we will get 1 here. And here both the inputs are different, we will get 1 here. This is the truth table of XOR. So let's apply this table to this example. Both inputs are different, we will get 1. Both inputs are same, we will get 0. Both inputs are same, we will get 0. Both the inputs are same, we will get 0. So this is the binary number for 1. Okay. That's why we get 1 here using XOR operator. For XOR bitwise operator, we use cap symbol. Next operator is your negation. Okay, here we have value of A is equals to 10. Now calculate negation of A. What would be the output according to you? Let's enter. It would be minus 11. How we will get negation of 10 is minus 11. First of all, let's see this operator. Which symbol we are using? This is the negation or complement, can say symbol, and in computer programming language it is also known as tilde operator or tilde operator. This is just below your escape key. Now let's see how we will get minus 11 after applying this tilde operator or complement operator. Okay, what would be the value of A is equals to 10? Now first of all we have to convert this into the binary number, which is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0. This is the binary number of 10. Now negation of A means, that means we want to find out the complement of this A. Complement means we will replace 0 by 1 and 1 by 0, replacing it. 0 by 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 and 1. This is the negation of A. Now how we will get that this would be is equals to minus 11? Let's see. Okay, how could we represent minus 11 in your computer? We already know in first year we have already teach that we cannot store negative number in our computer system. We also need to convert this negative number into positive binary number to restore it. So minus 11, if we want to store minus 11 in our computer system, we need to convert this minus 11 into a positive binary number, and minus 11 is equals to 2s complement of plus 11. Minus 11 would be is equals to 2s complement of plus 11. Now calculate the 2s complement of 111. 2s complement, how we find out? 1s complement plus 1. Okay. So first of all, 11's binary number 0 0 0 0. Okay, and 11 is 1 0 1 1. Its 1s complement is 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 1. Now add 1 to it. 1 1 1 1 0 1 0 1. Now you can see both are same. So this is the equals to of minus 11. Okay, that's why we will get minus 11 here. Now next operator is your left shift operator. This is used to shift your left operand value to the left hand side. And right operator, in right operator what we will do? We will shift our bits by right hand side. Okay. So thank you for today, and in next video we will see some more operators used in Python. Thank you so much.